Coach, congratulations. You forced a winner-take-all Game 5. But in this game, what is the importance to you nung palagi mong sinasabi sa players mo, Coach, na whether you're up or down 30 points, you want to see them grind out every possession?
Yeah, first of all, I'd like to thank Lord Jesus Christ for this W. And thankful to the players because of the mindset, because of the focus. And nandun sa board ko nandun sa start ng pre-game namin. It's all about believing, and in order for us to win the war, we need to grind for 53 minutes. And I think my players was so focused, and they wanted to have another chance on Saturday.
Now, Paul, last game you were limited to just 6 points, 2 out of 9 from the field, 22% shooting percentage. Today, backs against the wall, isa ka sa may pinaka-maraming playoffs experience dito sa team na to. Was it your personal goal to really have a bounce-back game, not just for the team, but for you personally?
Siguro, I'll just stay locked in. Gawin ko lang yung routine ko kung ano yung ginagawa ko everyday. Make sure na relax lang ako, especially yung mind ko. And just embrace the moment. And especially yung physicality. So, I think, focus lang ako every possession. And we're very happy na lahat kami, laser focus to tonight. Grabe yung focus talagang pinakita namin. Hindi na namin inisip yung last game na nangyari sa amin. So, yun, binigyan lang namin ng chance yung sarili namin, luckily nakuha namin.